Well, g'day and welcome. Here we are, part 4 of building a Dalek. So where we're up to is right there, and that's what it looks like at the moment. It's part 1, 2 and 3. So this is 4. What the go is we need 4 of these guys, and I found that printing them upright like that is the better way of doing it. I did do one laying down and it turned out like garbage, so where are we? There we go. This is one at 100%. Remember, the rest of this is all at 200%, and that's what it looked like there. Fucking thing's backwards. Stupid thing. So come off it. Now I've got to edit all this shit so I don't look like a fuckwit. Anyway, there we go. It didn't turn out nearly as fucking good as doing it that way, so they've got to be stood up. The other thing I did is I managed to crack me friggin' head. Bastard. I was getting the bloody support out of it. Like, normally I do tree support, but I totally did a brain fart on this because I had like 9 attempts at getting the bastard right. So I just did it normally, and then yeah, it fucking cracked right here. See, that's not good. It's a pain in the ass, that thing being backwards. Thank you, that's a bit better. Right, yes, like that. So I'm going to try and fix this. That's going to be my first thing. Second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these bastards together. Best way I've found to do that from just rooting around is to get them like this and then stick a rubber band around them and then watch them collapse. Let's try that again. So that up in there, that up in there, and that up in there like that. Come on. There you go. So they lock into place like that. And I'm either going to rub the soldering iron up the insides here, or I'm going to put some glue on it. Okay. Come on. You dickwad. Should actually print a fucking square to go into the middle of it. I'm surprised the designer did not do that, just to make life easier. Oh, stay, you bastard. Don't jump out. Okay, so that's sticking out at the bottom very badly. Right. Let's see now. Wow, now this is fucking exciting television. I'll have to skip a shitload of this. I had this. Alright. Let's try this stupid thing again. I think I'm going to have to put it together like this and then just drop some glue on it. I think what's going on is these rubber bands are just too tight. So I need 3 hands. Gotcha. Gotcha, you little bastard. No, stay there. Don't you dare pop apart. Come on. Fuck ya. I'm gonna end up fucking stabbing myself in a minute. Now that is good television. You bitch. I just had to rip half my teeth out to get the bastard apart. Now, is anything going to come out of it? No, it's not, because the friggin' hole's blocked. For fuck's sake. Righto. Now, where were we? That's right, trying to get the effing glue to work. Come on, you bitch. Right. It's got a hole. Yep, beautiful. Now, I'm going to very, very carefully, not really actually, I'm just going to pour a shitload of glue on these things. Come, that's... I just unblocked you. There she goes. Couldn't get it out, now it's bloody running everywhere. I'll put a couple of drips there. Alright, I'm going to try welding one of these until the thing just cracks like it did. Let's see if there's any chance these will go together, stay together. We're doing this. Yeah, it did seem to work, I guess. Fucking fumes blowing in my face. Even though I've got a fan over there. So just dragging this up the inside, not doing anything incredibly special. And this is going to be as strong as that glue anyway, for sure. It does feel a lot better. I'm gonna probably still have to glue it, I think. Otherwise it's... oh, I don't know. Alright, last one. Okay, well, that's not too bad. Now. one left.